Arizona patients being sent out of state for care in hospitals elsewhere. Leaders in New Mexico tell us Arizonans are being treated in their state. And tonight, a tale of two different administrations and their handling of coronavirus. There's Arizona's governor and New Mexico's governor, one a Republican, one a Democrat. And as ABC 15 reporter Nicole Grigg finds, two very different outcomes.
Arizona now #1 per capita in deaths in the United States, according to 91DVOC.com, and cases across the state continue to go up.
I not only put the brakes on any additional openings, I actually put more restrictions back in place.
New Mexico's governor going one-on-one with us on a Zoom interview.
Governor, what do you think you are doing right? You're our neighbor. How come your numbers aren't like Arizona?
Well, I follow the science, so there's no debate by my administration on the efficacy of wearing face coverings, on being really clear about which risks you can introduce and how a gating criteria must be met before you do that.
Follow the I-10 corridor, and the majority of the governors are Republicans, and most of those states are seeing record daily COVID-19 numbers.
So from California to Florida along I-10, the majority of those states are Republican governors. Is politics playing a role?
For me, there's no question. Politics, Republican governors by and large are not adopting science or any of the evidence-based practices.
Arizona's governor has been asked if politics plays a role in his decisions. He continuously denies it, saying he follows public health.
That's why I'm going to continue to follow public health. It won't be very popular, but I know in my heart it's the right thing to do, and that's what's going to guide decision-making going forward.
New Mexico's governor watching Arizona's numbers closely because it's at the point where New Mexico is getting patient transfers from Arizona. However, she didn't know how many exactly.
But I have less hospital capacity per capita than you do. And as your rates go up and Texas rates go up, it means New Mexicans are even less protected by making sure that they're going to have meaningful access if and when they need it.
The governor of New Mexico also tells me that there are restrictions in place for people coming from Arizona. Anyone who comes from our state has to quarantine for 14 days. However, she says this is hard to enforce. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.